Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Deel benefits enrollment for global insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Deel benefits enrollment for global insurance, first, log in to your Deel account. Navigate to the benefits section on your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Insurance Enrollment. Click on that option to proceed. You will see a list of available insurance plans. Review the details of each plan carefully. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Enroll button. A new form will appear for you to complete. Fill in all required information accurately. If prompted, upload any necessary documents. Review your information for any errors. After confirming all details are correct, proceed to the next step. You may be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Carefully read through the terms before accepting. Once you accept, submit your enrollment form. You will receive a confirmation message on your screen. Check your email for a confirmation notification as well. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder. Your benefits enrollment process is now complete. You can log back into your account to view your enrollment status. For any issues, reach out to Deel's customer support for assistance. This completes the guide on activating Deel benefits enrollment for global insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.